Enter IMF for that is International Monetary Fund. Omo financial auditing for Ghana about for the year 2025 for now. Some who Ghana seek as some say esi coin we say omo final statement about one thing. Ne go here no Ghana ya boka suru 2025 from the Ghana ya boka through gold purchase no Ghana ya boka 1.7 billion dollars. Over Ghana enesi kanimua 19.55 billion Ghana we got to this kanimua 195 trillion Ghana ya boss aka no ama nsem abeye deja na betume boss adwudwa mu amo ate ase bia ka na efiri eba no a kire wadwen e dia mame e wo comment section hi Penyah block media mess rasi ani di mu obe like video no da ma subscribe button san be click notification icon of latest update na be kire wadwen dia mame e wo comment section oba so a no aje for senya bia hwe me kan fo na da money sana pena dia ma o USA o UK opposition ska ed kofia ayenala ana 2020 so bia de send ska be fi omo transactions na very fast o ya o moka omo nala de o moka forget say Ghana boka nala de o say this guy e ka bia ni esuro bia ni free ayafala for Proco Penyah TV no message 20 amazing dollars. Let's go to the story. We say for actually obekaya before 2021 na Ghana as oman no yen shede ni agency bia omo etuto gold edema oman no say yomu to gold aboa no egu ho ama Ghana as a country no na ye ni bisa ba na wo PMMC, that is Precious Minerals Marketing Company. Na omo jumade ni say omo no eto gold artisanals and small scale miners ASM. Na omo to gold e di free omo honomo ana biom so so person obedji ayi eto gold o person obeye gold buyer ti we nyamia to nsi mo sika o person ugbowura gold adwuma ni mu but to gold wa omo ana be ma license na say omo na ye body omo ye that dwumade na omo to wi a na ye moa no mfangu Ghana ha no omo to a omo sa akoton na manane na emfaso no ye kipu ewo omo asoye. That is Precious Minerals Marketing Company. Na omo ejumedi eno no. Na omo sika no munya ede yes ejumedi na free Ghana, Bank of Ghana governor hono. Na free Bank of Ghana. Eye on some guys say omo to no makwa akoton. Ko omo to go no Ghana ha no mo a. Na omo akoton na amanone. Eti na eye emfaso a omo ekoton omo nya ne so no. Ene se oba pese obe tuto gold wa license ede be man registration fee obetua no. Ede na omo eboa no. Na omo de a finance omo dwumade na omo edie no but na ye hyede ni agency bia wo Ghana din mu se ye to gold ama oman Ghana na ye ni bisa but parents de omo to a na omo akoton na omo keep mfaso no ye ton na se omo keep commissioner was a profit na se omo keep I don't know omo de run that PMMC any omo de run omo bibia as any omo de run omo machine any bibia na ye record 2021 ni mo no ana ba obia e don say there be Ghana ha no mono yan hwe yasese ye ni enhihye no emoaye e wo se oman no yetime enya bibi etu akire because obesa na gold bi e benya Ghana ha bia na yase aso de kwa mono ne koton kwa jiska engentimi nkipu gold bi anto oman na chire basa aso a emo oman no because ebasa se bibi or atwenche bi ekoto a onni bibia da wachi o mo obra bi anto wachi a ode no ebedwitwa de wonti no yenya bibi afre no gold reserves that before then no na yekoto fango ewa adwaman so a na yetam oman ni sika na edeko eba so sika sam so te because sika na yakwa akotwa a yakwa akwaje everywhere bank edi aba no kakra na ba aye no ye se kwa akoto fango a ni asa tabi oman ni sika esa de akwa abontene na ze sika na ba aye no ero na ye esa edi pie free oman ni ekore ze basa na sika sam so ete edi wo mehwe no so da bi yemfa ade bi a ebebo na nka inso se di sika ebe kwa akoto fango no enkenya ade bi emfa nyina sika na mu ne emfa enu mum ene nkonye fa anwo no emfa mra so that ye sika no bekoso atena Ghana ha no mo na aboa ye economy no ana 2021 omudwene bibi ho February mu enu bi ade bi anya to di ni DGPP ebaaye eye domestic gold purchase program ebaaye se Ghana now no ye betu to gold Ghana as oman na gas ye betu to gold na ye kipu bi ni asa export bi eye in June 2021 ana omoje etumu ema that DGPP no ebe well established no mo establish here no ana PMMC na already omo no de omo ya no omo to gold every ankrankro ho no mo export de kwa mo na ekopemfa so e de ba no ye omo so aggregator so omo na now no through Bank of Ghana cause Bank of Ghana ana at DGPP no abra na Dr. Ernest Addison Bank of Ghana governor 2021 anomre that DGPP esi no mo it omo ye ana omo PMMC so aggregator Se ono na now no Bank of Ghana edi sika ebe soma no na wakọ Ghana adwaman so akoto to gold aba na Bank of Ghana aboa ebi ano na yesa de bi akọ amono ne akoton ede ko peska Abraham so that gold na ewo no ya de no be ebe support your exchange rate, ye be pompi gold akọ ye forex bureau ho no mo na a support ye sika na ho de ne na afesu no se ye sai akọ adwaman so akoto fanwo aba ye mfa sika na ebekọ na emu ye de gold na ebekọ akọje so that the sika sem no pressure ma ye sika nkasa eso na biem so no ya set make keep gold no be to our reserves so that e benya more gold reserves into say bibi kwaji kinkren kura na oman no ye gold a ye betimi akoyi bi asesa ede abebo oman no ebra as of June 2021 aye due to elgosi 2022 ni de na say eye Bank of Ghana and now omo finance PMMC ema omo ekoto to gold no ede buy trom to gold free small scale miners no more and they could also buy gold from the large scale miners, but say the large scale miners they have license to export their gold. It they can export their gold directly. Likewise, they can also sell to the government. But you need record say large scale miner be large scale company ni be ton gold no ma Ghana buying you need record no. But gold no eko they export it directly. And I said they are doing GDP no e buy. As from there say e boa Ghana because say was ye koto fan why the gold e bi anke be here $10 billion. $10 billion. They for $10 billion na be ko. But ye be convert ye be hwe eno hu gold equivalent value. Ni atam gold e de kwa amana ne. Na se sika na ke be tam de akon sika no hu aba abedwo. E ma na ye na ya start ye no. The whole of 2021 de ya moka. But ye kwura 2022 mo ye boka kakra ye boka 74.44 million new Ghana cedis all the cost is mu a 740 billion afunu kwa we 2023 ye sa boka ye boka 1.37 billion new Ghana cedis all the cost is mu a ye boka 13 trillion 2023 ana 2024 ye sa boka 2024 ye boka 5.66 billion new Ghana cedis all got this kind more 56 trillion ye about that can na say where almost start say DGPP policy no in 2021 no o ka for years nyina bomu a o make you total loss of 7.1 billion new Ghana cedis. I'm not talking about profit here, but I'm talking about losses. We are dealing with losses. They're making loss of 7.1 billion new Ghana cedis. O got this kind more 71 trillion loss o make you through DGPP policy na omo introduce ye no ene se to aba na ye kwa ye to wa na and this area no mbadom so okay ne ye de bibia afraid gold board ebeba na gold board no omo tan ne say adwuma na nanka PMMC eye no ye gini nyina ma gold board ko na no gold board ene wo to me say omo to gold e wo Ghana ha no mo omo sa eton gold omo ema license to mine omo sa ma license to be a buyer, but gold board nko na wo kwan say or the gold free or mine concrete Ghana mu ekwamona na ekoton and amaka say large scale miners there they also have their right to export gold, but small scale miners you don't have the right to export gold. The artisanals and the small scale miners muye madwuma wi a munko ton gold no ema gold board na gold board na emfa kwamona ne bienkipi bi eso ewo gold reserve ewo Bank of Ghana asweye. Let's almost say that agency no and this am dem fi eto ano ya this am eto na say omu ana be so aggregator to Ghana ha bia gold bia de e de oma bem omu dey make sure say gold no we assay gold said they na PMMC na because they were gold assayers. Omu na be test na omu measure the purity and the weight of the gold. It is na PMMC now no a gold board and a say adwumade now no they are acting as what PMMC but a advanced. It na go say now no say Bank of Ghana esuma obi say onkoto to gold emfa mrenia on first card come PMMC phobium now no ya de come say medamfi any the gold board say momonye na monko adwaman so enkoto to gold emfa mre ye Bank of Ghana for na enyina wo ye twen ka bi hyemu eye December ni mo ana IMF for omdo quarter 3 report eba for wiase nyina na Ghana na de ka ho bi na Ghana do omdo ba ye ko wi say it covers from January to September ye ko hwe mu no na say omo kire mu say DGPP program na Ghana run Bank of Ghana run through gold board no omo ko ye adwuma no from January to September. Yakoboka. Omana boka $214 million. It about say IMF report by say covering the first to third quarter of the year 2025 in Ghana. Yaboka through DGPP program no. Now focus say any gold board ye kind. It a one for the subono every good semi fee any gold board eso. Sami dem yeso aton gold aboka.
Na papa wadi wa wosi gold ye tomboka. Eze go gold ye ka be manase.
Gold no asa aboka.
Ah gold.
And omo eke koma bi ede chiro mu. E ma that time no sem dem fie ni bebre ye. Obeka se onya no kure. Hey, ya mo ka ba bia na the bank of the IMF eke kan de enya no kure. Omo propaganda je say Ghana ye bete ye ho every IMF omo program so no ena ye omo ya eno better still omo e force so echi e be hye omo ase. Ede sem dem fi e be defend ye. But 2025 ekwa wie ye no. Na say Bank of Ghana or ye no financial auditing report, financial statement report no. Bank of Ghana make huge losses. Na Bank of Ghana ebo no. O mankasa gitu say DGPP program ho no. Omo ebo ka ewo ho. And I'm saying ma obeka ya June July ya mu kra no. The current Bank of Ghana governor, Dr. Johnson Siama, obeka say no trim say now no there. Moving forward no. Said there na Bank of Ghana you see financing gold board. That pre-financing sales na de ma wo mu ye mo muska enu ko to gold na later omo dia ba no. Eno no. From now onwards,
State development also falls within this review period, i.e., with effect from July 1st. The Bank of Ghana ceased pre-financing the Ghana Gold Board's gold purchases program through its auction arrangements. This represents an important change in the sources of domestic liquidity and will form part of our assessment this week. Over the course of this meeting, the committee will assess how those measures have affected liquidity conditions, monetary policy transmission, and broader macroeconomic outcomes, and what they imply for the policy stance the committee should adopt this week. The cessation of bank pre-financing for gold board purchases. This removes one source of liquidity injection at a time when private sector credit is expanding quite rapidly. The committee must assess what this implies for the calibration of the current stance and whether the balance of sterilization and structural measures remains appropriate.
But who the actual losses are Ghana make here through DGPP program no for the year 2025. Now we see NWH and IMF for the Omo financial statement covering the whole year of 2025 over the Bible Antony. Now go when Ghana so ye will be. Tell the entire Dr. Johnson Siama Oka said now no there will be holding on. Say Obama gold board ska abana ko to gold no go tun we on the sika na ba any other no. IMF just Ghana aboka. Na say no statement omo de ba ye. Let's say DGPP operation have generated significant loss for the Bank of Ghana. It almost financial statement item 12 from item 10 say DGPP policy and the buy no operations no. Aboama Bank of Ghana aboka huge losses. In 2025, the significant scaling up of DGPP operations led to losses of over $1.7 billion, which is equivalent to 1.7% of the entire country gross domestic product. 2025 no, nina query no that DGPP program na run and policy na run operations no. Say domestic gold purchasing program na run say to gold e Ghana he nyina na ya boa no ya reserve bi e de bi akoye gold for oil policy no SRD bi agu ya reserves no afi 2025 na ye no oman na aboka oman ka $1.7 billion dollar so 11.7 but then for 11.5 any round figure dollar 11.5 so what the 1.7 times 11.5 wa 19.55 billion new Ghana cedis. All got it can more 195 trillion. And this is bigger than their first 1 year in operation. Loss wa omu ameki elbro loss wa and the Kufuor no mo started DGPP no kra no loss o make here NDC government own by almost first 1 year loss e buru mo Kufuor mo 3 year losses because Kufuor mo 3 year loss na no 2022 2024 no o make it loss of 7.1 billion new Ghana cedis. New Ghana to that time all the call dollars it was around $700 million. $700 million for no more. Then $1 billion. What is $1 billion? It was around just $500 to $600 million for no more column. And not a war. But NDC government better now so almost first 1 year, according to IMF reporting, almost domestic good purchase program now. A Kufuor do abamu jano hona almost air twaso no. All the medina na share gold board and say gold board and them woman to gold e wo man maybe bia wo hana mo no ya boka e wu che kana boy there e bi exchange rate ora say e bi so ye dan sika wo Ghana ha ya na ye gold gold bo na enyina no fluctuation in the price of gold but I say ni nyina ka ho e ma ye board that e ka no but omun che sika no bia wia anaso bia wia omun tire mu say ya boka but owan tire mu say sika no bia edi sika anase obi awie sika but obi tire mu say ya boka omun che kana boy ne de e operational losses amabusuan we abaye asem sebe eti afi 2025 ne de your domestic good purchase program na ye run ye no ye boka susuro abo mine KBC Ghana Hanamoda. Your first time, and this government more try do it for the first time. Obi run a do for 4 years. 4 years now, no cowboy, just 7.1 billion Ghana cedis. But when your first attempt, first 1 year, I must gold board and whatever ever bought mine, gold by Boama Ghana, just gold is and some ye new problem be our honor. More first year, 19.55 billion new Ghana cedis. I never say more. Ne run ye day. Ne go super run ye day. It was a way. I'll be asking Sabe. Ubeto achira wa adwene e dia mame e wo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Agra.